All right, we're making popovers because I just really want them. It's only 5 ingredients total. You probably already have them. And you don't need a popover pan, but it's recommended, okay? First, whisk together 1.5 cups of whole milk. I'm mixing in this big thing because it's easier to pour into the tins at the end. And 4 warm eggs. I put my 4 eggs in super hot tap water so it just heats up. 2, 3, 4. And 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Now whisk it real good. Add 1.5 cups of flour. Whisk until there's no longer big lumps. Quickly whisk in hot butter. Don't forget to grease. Okay. Pour that goodness in. Not all the way, 3/4 full. There's a reason they're called popovers. Bake 450 for 20 minutes and then 350 for 10 to 15 more minutes. I just looked through the door of the oven and they're dripping over and getting on the bottom of the oven and it's smelling a little bit burnt. But I'm not opening the oven. But I did open all the windows. They're quite, irregular. They look like dinosaurs. Butter and jelly too. Oh. Take a look at the inside of my oven.